I'm no stranger to making mistakes. I've had my fair share of failures. A handful of years back, I posted a pretty vulnerable video owning up to my mistakes.
I've spent the last 10 years getting really, really good at making money. That's not what life's about. For me, it was being present, it was being challenged, it was the unknown, it was being in the moment with the people that I was with, really experiencing that. And that is a lot of what I've had to sacrifice pursuing this path of business. I'm at a point in my life where it doesn't feel like I'm really truly being honest with the way that I'm living.
That lesson is still something I'm learning every day. Recently, someone asked me how things have changed since that video. Interestingly enough, a lot of the things I had said didn't matter seem to have manifested in my life anyway. So what really happened over the last 6 years? Did those ideas I spoke so passionately about really change my world? Let's first start with defining some ideas from that video. Number 1, my work didn't align with my values.
Doing photography or commercial anything for products that people don't really care about to promote some form of consumerism is just so opposite of how we've always felt.
Number 2, I traded quality time for making money.
We have all these lavish things, we live in this amazing place, but what suffers? My relationships suffer.
Number 3, the pursuit of materialism is an overwhelming fabrication of a better life.
This game is fake. We live in this idea that money, things, a certain lifestyle can generate happiness. And what I want to tell you is it doesn't.
And in conclusion,
pursue the path that you love, be present in the moment, enjoy everything that you have, be grateful for the abundances in your life, hold on dearly to the time you get to connect with other people. If it doesn't add value to your life, let it go. It weighs you down. Those things will take so much energy, time, and they will waste your life. Change it right now.
As some of you may or may not know, we've made some pretty big changes after that time I filmed the video. We packed up and moved off Hawaii. I doubled down to focus on recovering from adrenal fatigue, and you guys started seeing me a lot less here. I've spent this time pursuing the things I cherished most, which meant saying no a lot. I turned down most potential work and focused on giving my best to clients and brands that aligned with my values. I created a course to share with others what I've learned. And more importantly, I dove deep into the things that strengthened the bond between me and my loved ones. It wasn't always easy, and I veer off course every once in a while, but little could I have imagined the experience I'd discover when letting go of the excess. These days, feeling burnt out is more often than not foreign to me. I no longer try to fit the image of societal or client expectations, whether it be the length and color of my hair, to what type of regular or floor bed I sleep on, or even how much clutter I own. Every choice I make caters to what adds the most value to that very season of my life. And surprisingly enough, some of the material things I desperately chased in the past flowed into my life seamlessly. While others didn't make the cut. Even some of the ones I had a hard time letting go of. 6 years ago, my life was changed, and that lesson still teaches me today. The theme for 2023 for me has been all about going even deeper in quality and much less about the quantity. I find myself obligating to less and getting more present, creating larger buffers so I don't have to rush in my day, leaning into real connections and eliminating insignificant conversations, deep reflecting instead of justifying emotional responses, appreciating what I have now instead of chasing what could be, feeling more peace, self-awareness, purpose, and confidence. I realized the journey that began 6 years ago was not a story of the end, but rather the beginning of everything. And what's even harder to relay is that all the things I was looking for wasn't about changing my circumstance for something better. It was all about letting go.